Welcome to this Red5 Cloud tutorial video. Today, we will show you how you can use PubNub integration through Red5 Cloud's dashboard, so you can have a better live stream and chat experience. After you log into the dashboard, you should open the Resources page. In this page, scroll down and you will see PubNub Publish Key and PubNub Subscribe Key. Using these keys, you can just use chat features or submit receiving videos, images, or files through Red5 SDKs. When you deploy Red5 Cloud, it comes with a conference application, which is called TrueTime Meetings. In TrueTime Meetings, there is built-in chat functionality. Using this component, you can send text messages. And as we mentioned before, you can use it for sending PDF files, image files, GIFs, or videos. It uses your own PubNub keys under the hood. After using PubNub, if you want to see your users, you can do that by navigating to Accounts, Plans, and Billing sections. Here you can select your total number of transactions, total number of bytes you stored, and you will see other methods about your PubNub users. This is how easy it is to use PubNub chat features through Red5 Cloud. We wish you happy streaming.